Hey guys, it's Emma. Welcome to my vlog. For my video, we went thrifting. We went to Goodwill and we went to Plato's Closet and we got some cool stuff and we're just gonna be doing like some DIY stuff. So right now we are painting on our jeans on the pockets, and I'll insert a picture right here, maybe. And we're just sort of doing some DIY stuff we found on Pinterest, and I'll keep you updated throughout this process. So here's our starting point. We want to make it, so Macy is helping me with it. So we want to make it like a blue sky with a sunflower, like a big sunflower in the corner. We're going to put clouds in the back, and it's going to be really fun. And Mary is making Crocs for her mom.
For Mother's Day.
For Mother's Day. So nice.
Yeah.
And Gabby is making some sunflowers on pockets of her jeans.
Yes.
Okay, so I just finished the jeans. They're not perfect at all. I'm not super artistic, but like tried my best and it was a lot of fun. And this is what they look like overall, and I'll put a little montage, a little dramatic montage. And I'm really happy with the way they turned out. These jeans fit like perfectly on me, so I'll probably be wearing them soon to school. Like they fit like mom jeans, which I love, and they look so old and they look like 80s, 90s, which is like my favorite style. And then I put the flowers on top, so I think it can be paired really well with like some certain tops and like other things like that. So I'm super excited about that, and then I'm gonna clean up, and then once the paint dries, I'll try them on for you guys. Okay, so for the second craft thing we're gonna be for the second craft thing we're doing, I bought these Levi's jeans from Goodwill, literally Goodwill, $7 from Goodwill for Levi's jeans. They're, okay, like the secret is to shop in the men's section for jeans, because if you find like a really small men's size, then it's like the equivalent to like at least my woman's size. So I got these Levi's jeans, and since they have like the Levi's logo on the back, I like don't want to paint over them because I want everyone to know that I finally have Levi's. So what I'm gonna do with so what I'm doing, did you get in it? No. It's okay, they're all girls. So what I'm doing with it is I'm cutting them right here. It looks like really long. No, I don't think you're right. Oh, okay. So it looks like I'm cutting them really long, but like I'm just gonna fold them up because you like, if you cut them too short, then you're screwed. So if you cut them long enough, you can just take them off, cut them again, like do it over and over again. But yeah, like I'm really excited about them because they're Levi's and they're nice, and they were $7 from Goodwill. So stay tuned for the process. Okay, so this is what they look like when they're cut. I haven't rolled them up yet, so they look like bike shorts a little bit, but I think they fit really well. And are these the men's ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are the men's ones. And they fit like perfectly. Like it's a lot better when you cut them. And I'm just gonna roll them up and then I'll be done with these. So, something else that I did was I got this giant shirt. It says Wilson on it, like the tennis brand, and I think it's really cool because, well, this was like a double or triple X, like, so it was like huge on me, so it went down here. My camera's like standing up, but it went down to like literally here. But I decided to cut it, like crop it, and then I rolled up the sleeves because that's like something that I've been liking a lot. And so it's in my stomach a little bit, but that's fine. So I like the crop that I did, and also I finished the jeans and they're on right now, and they're so comfortable. They fit so well. Like they're so cute. They like hold my body weight the way it's supposed to be. Like that never happens for tall people. If you know, you know. So this is like, okay, I'm sitting on my sticky toes, and I'll put a montage in too. But I really like the way that the sunflower came out. Like it doesn't look really good or like professional or anything like that. It just looks like I did it, which I really like, because like I think it's really cool to be able to like put your own like sort of like stamp on stuff. That's why I like to go thrifting. A, it saves the planet because you don't support fast fashion and stuff like that. And B, like you get stuff that no one else has. And like especially with shirts like this is a men's double X. But like if you like you have to have that like sort of eye where you know what to look for. So I know like I need to look for like big shirts that I can crop, or like jeans that are oversized that I can either cut into shorts or like paint on the back of. Like this is a success. Like this whole thing is a success. My shorts, let me go get them. These shorts, so dope, and they're Levi's, and it looks like I spent like $70 or something on like a pair of Levi's shorts, but I really spent $70 on a pair of Levi's, or not 70, but $7 on a pair of Levi's jeans and just cut them, and it's the same and it's more fun. So I hope you liked this video. Hopefully it inspired you to go thrifting and DIY some stuff. Because this whole outfit right now is all my own thing. No one else can ever have this outfit. I guess you could, but you're lame. So like no one else can have this outfit, which is something that I really like. Something that I hope to keep doing in the future. So I hope you like this video, and I hope it inspired you to do something like this yourself. And yeah, if you ever want me to paint your jeans or cut your jeans, just let me know. I'd be happy to do it.